So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Friday the 15th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices in the past and where we could potentially go. So we're in around this 13.56. We didn't see the breakout to the upside, potentially targeting 114.30. What we did see was the sell side momentum coming to the market. We did have a fundamental catalyst in regards to the US dollar, and we have seen the sell side momentum coming to the market. Now, on our past, we didn't see a reaction to this 12.77. The momentum took us all the way down to 12.52. Marked out here in red. In at 12.52, we did see bullish buy side momentum coming to the market for a retest of that 12.77. We've seen a pullback, another test of that 12.77. We weren't able to break it on these two occasions. Well, three occasions essentially. Three or so occasions here. These swings in the market. And what we did see was we did gather enough momentum to break this 12.52, which is a very strong level. So, yes, we broke below this 12.52. We've broke below this 400 period moving average, and we've come down into this. Weekly pivot here at 12.15, and a similar story to 12.52. We've seen some buy side momentum coming to the market, and we've come all the way up to this 400 period moving average, and we do seem to be having some weakness now. So unless we do see a turnaround before we get down to this 12.15, if we do see a turnaround, we're looking at targets 12.52. See if there is some sell side momentum potentially going out to 12.15 in a break. If we do successfully navigate 12.52, we're looking to target 12.77 and a break of which we're looking to see how prices react to the 200 period moving average. And let's see, we'll see how we react to the 200 period moving average, beyond which we're looking all the way up at 13.04. I can't anticipate price. Let's see where we are with 12.80. We could potentially go higher than 13.04, but I don't anticipate us going much higher than 13.04, to be honest. The very next level after 13.04 is 13.56, and I just can't see the US dollar Japanese yen turning around and heading towards that 30. Say that again. I can't see the US dollar turning around and heading towards that 13.56. So if we do see a retracement, we do see a turnaround before we potentially test that 112.15. Again, we'll be targeting 112.52, 112.77, and 200 period moving average before we're looking all the way about 13.04, which I'd expect to be the far end of the range. Now, if we do break down from where we are at present, and if we do not see a bullish buy side momentum come into the market, potentially targeting 12.52 and beyond, we are looking for a move down to 12.60. Let me just make sure these levels are correct. 11.60, that's right. So the levels that we are looking at, if we do see a breakdown from where we are at present, and we do break it below this 12.15, we're looking to see our price react in around this 111.60. Beyond which we're looking to see our price react in around this 111. I can't anticipate prices moving much beyond 111. The very next level we have marked out in the chart is at 10.73. But 111 would expect to be the far end of the range, and the 11.60 is a very strong level where we could potentially see more buy side momentum coming to the market. Targets at 112.15. And same again at 111. Again, we'll be looking for buy side momentum target 11.60. And with that said, that should wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.